BESTE is a high-efficiency domestic wastewater treatment solution. Utilizing the advanced O-MBBR process, it integrates the advantages of the activated sludge process and the biological contact oxidation process. This combination delivers reliable COD while achieving enhanced nitrogen and phosphorus reduction. Now, let's see how it works. After being equalized in the equalization tank, the wastewater enters BESTE for treatment. The wastewater first enters the pre-denitrification zone. Under anoxic conditions, residual nitrate and dissolved oxygen are effectively removed, creating a more stringent anaerobic environment for the downstream anaerobic zone. This enhances the anaerobic phosphorus release by phosphorus-accumulating organisms. Next, the wastewater enters the anaerobic zone. This zone works in coordination with the subsequent aerobic zone to achieve biological phosphorus removal. Under strict anaerobic conditions, phosphorus-accumulating organisms fully release phosphorus, creating optimal conditions for phosphorus uptake in the following aerobic stage. The wastewater then enters the anoxic zone. With continuous mixing, the wastewater and activated sludge are thoroughly blended. Denitrifying bacteria carry out the nitrogen removal process at this stage. Meanwhile, denitrification generates alkalinity, supporting the subsequent nitrification process in the aerobic zone. Following this, the wastewater flows into the aerobic zone, where organic matter is degraded, ammonia is nitrified, and excess phosphorus is taken up. With sufficient oxygen supply, some microorganisms in the activated sludge use organic matter to synthesize new cells, while others metabolize it for energy, ultimately producing stable end products such as CO2 and H2O. The aerobic zone is also filled with high-efficiency biofilm carriers. With continuous oxygen supply, microorganisms attached to the carrier surfaces form biofilms that further enhance organic matter degradation and ammonia nitrification performance. After biological treatment, the mixed liquor enters the sedimentation zone for solid-liquid separation. Sludge settles and concentrates here, with a portion returned to the pre-denitrification zone and the remaining sludge discharged to the sludge tank, achieving partial biological phosphorus removal. The clarified effluent then flows by gravity into the filtration zone. Porous sponge media further capture fine suspended solids, while biofilms formed on the media surfaces continue to remove residual pollutants, ensuring stable effluent SS levels that meet discharge requirements. After sedimentation and filtration, the treated water can be safely discharged or disinfected for reuse as needed. At this stage, the main wastewater treatment process is complete. While the main treatment process operates continuously, internal liquid and sludge recirculation additionally enhances nitrogen and phosphorus removal, creating a stable biological treatment cycle. After nitrification in the aerobic zone, a portion of the nitrified liquor is returned to the anoxic zone via airlift recirculation, where denitrification further removes total nitrogen. The returned liquor is thoroughly mixed with the wastewater in the anoxic zone, enabling additional nitrogen removal within the system. Meanwhile, activated sludge from the sedimentation zone is recirculated to the pre-denitrification zone, continuously participating in the system cycle. By preferentially removing nitrates and dissolved oxygen from the returned sludge, a more stable anaerobic environment is created in the anaerobic zone, further enhancing phosphorus uptake in the subsequent aerobic stage. While maintaining overall biomass balance, the excess sludge is periodically discharged and sent for further treatment. On top of the strengthened process cycle, the BESTE system can be flexibly equipped with auxiliary functions according to influent quality and operational conditions, ensuring treatment performance. For influent streams with limited carbon sources, an optional carbon dosing unit can be installed to balance carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, supporting more effective microbial pollutant removal. To address limitations in biological phosphorus removal under low-temperature conditions, an optional chemical phosphorus removal unit can be added, ensuring stable total phosphorus compliance in the effluent. The entire system is centrally controlled to enable continuous operation throughout the process. Relying on the advanced O-MBBR process, BESTE achieves sustained pollutant removal, delivering operational stability and compliant effluent quality.